Hi, this is Christian with Universal Retail Systems on how to create a backup for your SPS-500. To begin, insert a USB in the front left USB port. This port can be found in the front left corner of the machine and should be hiding behind a little sliding door. Next, insert your C key and rotate the key past the letter P to access its additional functions. On the bottom left corner of the screen, you should see the button labeled SD RAM Backup. Pressing this button should open a window. Press the USB key button, and a window on the left should appear with 4 buttons on the right. Press the button titled New to create a new backup. Here, a keyboard should appear to put your store name. Enter your store name in order to later access the backup. For this example, we will use test. Press OK when finished. On this screen, the store name you just created will be selected. Now press Open. This will let us access additional functions with this store name. We want to create a backup, so press Backup Program to USB. A prompt will appear asking you, "Are you sure?" Press Yes. Now wait for the machine to create a backup to your USB. This can take a couple of minutes. When done, press Close. To check if your backup was created properly, press SRAM Backup again, USB,